Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today this look is going to be a easy and quick New Year's Eve look, or New Year's look. I mean, really whatever, any special occasion, it'll work. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows and stuff already done, and I'm going to be using strictly the Jack and Hill palette for this look. I'm taking this mustard and this peach shade out of her palette, and I'm adding those to the crease, well, the upper crease of my eyelids, because I have hooded eyes, so I'm just taking it like above where my crease would be. So now going in with this burnt orange shade and this like burnt brown shade, I'm taking that and I'm putting that like right below, or directly in my actual crease, and I'm just putting it on the outer portion of my eyelid and then the inner portion. So now I'm going in with these deeper brown colors just to give my outer creases like some more definition, some more depth to it. And I'm taking it like a little bit below where I put the burnt oranges and burnt red colors, and I'm just blending it all together. And y'all, I'm sick by the way, so I'm sorry that my voice sounds a little bit like out of the ordinary, but yeah. So I'm taking this this clean blending brush, and I'm just blending out all of those colors together. I'm blending them in so that they, mesh smoothly. So I just took those two shades from the Jack and Hill palette, and I'm placing that like in the center of where I placed the brown, the orange, and the mustard color. Really, the mustard color is for my transition, but I'm taking that a little bit above my crease because, like I said, I have hooded eyes and I want my eyes to appear bigger. So that's all I'm doing right now. So right here I'm like kind of cutting or outlining above my crease to get like it's not really a cut crease, but I guess it is. And right now I'm using concealer, and later on I ended up using eyelash glue so that the glitter could stick better. So right here is just me putting on the glitter and just following the same line that I made with the concealer and the glue. And I'm using this NYX matte black eyeliner, which is my favorite eyeliner, to do my eyeliner. And I'm not doing a wing, I'm just lining my lash line, just so that when I put my lashes on, it like hides the band and stuff like that. No, I do not use tweezers to put on my eyelashes. Especially having nails, I feel like it is tweezers. So yeah, and I've been putting on eyelashes for a minute, so I'm kind of like, it comes easy. So now I'm going back into the mustard and the peach shade, the shades that I use in my transition, and I'm putting it on my lower lash line. Same thing with the burnt orange and red color. I'm just like giving my bottom lash line some definition, and I already did my face, but I plan to do like another tutorial, a full face tutorial, if that's something y'all would want to see. Again, going in with the deeper browns. Again, I'm just putting all of those at the bottom of on my bottom lash line. Now, I put on mascara, even though I would put on mascara normally anyways. I decided at the last minute to add these false eyelashes at the bottom. This is something I have never done before, but it was actually like, I like how it looked, so I might be doing it a lot more. I finished my face before I did it, so the next clip you will see me finishing my face off. But yeah, my face was already done before I put on the lashes, because like I said, I decided to do it last minute. But yeah, I'm just going in with like some highlighter in the inner corner of my inner tear ducts and stuff. And I'm lining my lips with just a regular brown liner from the beauty supply store, any beauty supply store, because I'm using like a pink nude lipstick because I'm dark. I want it to blend better, so you'll see me going back with the brown lip liner again just to make sure it blend. And this is the finished look, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you like, don't like, what you want to see me do next, everything. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.